Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. So one of the most asked question is about my hair routine. So this video is a little bit about one of the things that I do for my hair. I put on a hair mask on my hair using two very simple ingredients जो कि हर किसी के घर में होती हैं. They're there in everybody's house and if not very easily accessible from any supermarket, and this is how I do it. I'll show you guys everything and you guys will be listening to me while I am going to be putting the hair mask on my hair. The two basic and main ingredients that you would be needing in this tutorial right here are number one, mayonnaise, and number two, coconut oil. So there, you guys can see I have poured a lot of mayonnaise in this plate. This is less mayonnaise for someone with hair like mine. I will need more mayonnaise than this, but this is just to show you guys कि अगर इतनी mayonnaise है तो उसके अंदर कितना coconut oil जाएगा. 1 spoon. So you guys can see right here, this is the mixture of mayonnaise and coconut oil. ये पूरा गिर रहा है. So I'm just going to quickly start sectioning my hair and I'm going to start applying it onto my hair. साथ साथ we'll talk about the benefits and the things that this mask does for you. So I just started my hair up और एक छोटा सा section निकाला मैं अपने बालों का नीचे से. Now I'm just going to start applying the mayonnaise to my hair heavily. I'm going to cover each strand really thick. So let's talk about what does mayonnaise have in its ingredients. It comes with egg yolks, lemon juice, vinegar, mustard, salt, and a lot of canola oil along with lots of other oils as well. So now what does this mask really do to your hair is what's important. First of all, hair growth. Mayonnaise contains egg yolks and vinegar and all those oils that work together to nourish and moisturize your hair like crazy. I can't even start telling you guys how much this has helped in my hair growth personally as well. The second thing, it is an amazing conditioning treatment because of its rich content of amino acids and nourishing oils. Mayonnaise has the best ingredients that you could use to condition your hair, and what's better than this, that they all come in one packet which is called mayonnaise. The third thing, this helps a lot in defining curly hair. Any girl with curly hair will tell you that managing curls is literally no joke. There goes a lot of effort to keep the hair from looking like a frizzy mess. So if you use mayonnaise, it's going to help you define your curls by treating all the dryness and the frizz. Okay, so here comes another important part which I like to consider the most. Mayonnaise protects colored hair. Colored and processed hair often tends to have damaged cuticles. Cuticles are the damaged and not sealed shut ends to bleed out the color a lot quicker than the healthy cuticles. Mayonnaise helps smooth the cuticles and seal in all the color. As you guys know that I have colored hair and this has helped me a lot. Another of an amazing benefit that you get by using mayonnaise is it treats dandruff. We all know how much we've suffered because of having dandruff in our hair. So basically mayonnaise contains vinegar. Vinegar is a very effective ingredient for balancing the scalp's pH levels and oil production. Basically when we have a lot of oil production is when we get a lot of dandruff, and using mayonnaise soothes the scalp while unclogging and tightening those follicles that will help us diminish all this dandruff. Along with calming frizzy hair, which I've told you guys before as well, this is an amazing conditioner. There's another unspoken thing that nobody really speaks a lot about, which is this is extremely helpful in removing hair lice. Mayonnaise is one of the most popular treatments when it comes to dealing with hair lice. Covering your scalp and hair with large quantities of mayo will help suffocate and kill lice. So if you guys haven't tried that out on your kids or on yourself, it's a very good way to do it, and it has been working out since ages. So do try that out. So those are all the benefits that I've spoken about. Now that I've already done this, I'm just going to quickly just make them and tie them into a pony and just keep them in a shopping bag. I'm going to put this on for 2 to 4 hours, and when I'm done with this, I'm going to wash it off. Remember, you're going to have to shampoo your hair 2 to 3 times to let all of the things come out. And enjoy your hair later. I hope you guys like this video. Enjoy!